Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great on this Cast Iron Wednesday. I am going to be making the Lodge recipe of the month, which is corned beef hash. I've got the big potatoes there, got all the ingredients through here, got the Blacklock ready to go, and there is the corned beef. So I'm going to take and make the sauce first. Then I'm going to go and chop up everything and get everything going. Alright guys, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I decided to go ahead and chop up everything first. So we'll start out with the potatoes. And now we've got chopped up potatoes. Now it's time to chop up the corned beef. We get that in little pieces and then we'll start cooking. Alright guys, here's the corned beef. And now we got it sliced. And now chop. So look at that, looks like it's all ready to go. We'll put this back on the plate. We'll cut up some of the green onions. I'm going to use those. I'm not going to use bell peppers. We don't really go for the bell peppers as much, so we're going to do the green onions, and then we're going to take and start putting everything together. Alright guys, got the potatoes on, got some olive oil on there. It's the garlic olive oil. It's got a lot of flavor to it. Since I had so many potatoes, I'm going to go ahead and use Stubby to get some of them most of the way cooked, and then we'll be able to put them all together with the corned beef and all the other ingredients, and should turn out pretty good. Alright guys, got the potatoes all in Stubby right now. Shouldn't take too much longer. Got the green onions in here all chopped up. Got some butter in here. It melted super fast. Get this cooked up a little bit, and then we'll put the corned beef in, and then we'll stir it in, and then we'll add these spices to it and get that going. And then once the meat gets up close to temperature, then we'll drop in the potatoes, stir it all up good, and then we'll be ready for the eggs to go on top of it. We will be done. Alright guys, got the corned beef in. We're going to stir this up in here. Got her nice and warm. Let this sit for just a minute, and then we will get the potatoes ready. Get them ready to go back in. Alright guys, got the potatoes in. Just stir this all up. See those spices mixing in, and the onions. It smells really, really good. Alright guys, we're going to see how this works. I've got it on the door right here by the stove, so we're going to put our eggs in. I've already got the oven preheated to 325. Can't have a yolk, or can't have a piece of shell in there. That'd be bad. I don't know if the eggs on this is supposed to be just for show, or what it's really there for. That one's decided to come migrate and see the other one. Let's move this around and get in there. Alright. And like always, I like pepper. So we'll put some pepper on our eggs, because can't have chicken seeds without pepper. Alright guys, so there she is. Let me get my pot holders. Like I said, it's already set for 325 in the oven, so I'm going to stop this here and we'll see it when it gets out. Alright guys, while we are waiting for that to finish, we're going to make our sauce. We're going to start out with half a cup. I'm basically doubling the recipe because we got a lot over there, so I'm pretty sure it's going to take at least double of what we have. Get that in there. Get out of there. Okay. It's gonna have honey. And if y'all don't do these Lodge Recipe of the Month, I definitely recommend it. Not only is it cool because you get to do different recipes that you might not have ever done, but they do a random drawing at the end of each month, and you could win some really awesome stuff. That's how I won all the Blacklock stuff. Okay, so we need 6 of this. There's 1, 2, 3. Close that, shake it down. 4, 5, 6. And then it called for 2 of water. All right. Just get a little bit of pepper. That's probably too much, but you can never have too much pepper. And then it said salt, which that should be plenty. And we just guys, it looks good. Tastes pretty good. All right, we'll wait until this gets done. All right, guys, there she is. Everything looks like it turned out great. Got the sauce here. I'm going to take and stop it real quick, and I'm going to take some pictures for the contest, and we'll get right back to it. All right, guys, so here she is. I put some of the sauce on it they had us make. We'll cut around this one. It's on that one little trivet, so we'll get underneath there, lift this out. Oh, that yolk is gonna go. We're gonna leave it right there. All right. Looks good to me. Well, guys, this is it. Hope everybody had a great Cast Iron Wednesday. Blacklock did good. Stubby did good. Everything looks good. It smells really good. I've tasted it a couple times. It actually tastes pretty good. So hopefully everybody likes it. And hope everybody has a great week. And I'll see you next Wednesday.